A very common place for these Masseys to get damaged is in the lower corner of the wing here, because as you're driving forward you might be pushing through a pile of rubble or dirt, or even you might be clearing bushes and trees, and this bottom corner here, this will get pushed in, and this one was very badly pushed in and very badly rusted. So there's quite a bit of corrosion to repair on here. I've pulled out most of the collapse. All of this was pushed in this way from driving forwards through garbage and not seeing it from the cab level. This is tucked underneath, under your left knee as you're driving, so it's easy to get that damaged. What you can see here is the hydraulic oil reservoir, and that's got a huge strong guard in place around it because of this danger of driving into obstacles and rubble and spoil and damaging the oil reservoir. I'll just set up the winch as to how it was to pull this dent out.